Next. Yes, let me on the caps lock for you. H, and the next word is just above H. It's just above H.
Above it.
Yeah, above it. Can you find out? Did you
Yes.
see? Come on, just above H. H, U.
H.
Yeah. Very good. You were there. M, that is the first syllable. Now comes the second syllable. Come on, the second syllable. You were almost there when you typed J. Come on, what is the first word of the second syllable? Relax. You are almost there, Govind. M, very good. Next. What's the alphabet after M? It's the second syllable. M, I. Next. Hum, me.
Me. Bird.
N. N. Complete this word. G. Yes, it's humming. Humming. Would you like to spell the spelling of bird? Come on.
Humming.
Yeah, the bird hums, but it doesn't hum through the throat. We will come in the lesson. We'll read in the lesson. How does the sound come? B.
B.
You are almost there. Go to the right. You will find right. If you go to the right, oops. If you go to the right, you will find it. Don't move your finger down. You are almost there. Try again. B. Come on. B. Which one is it?
This one is it.
I.
I.
Okay, B. I. Yes. Where is that word? Alphabet. Just come to right. Slightly right.
Slightly.
You'll find it. R. B-I-R.
B-I-R.
You moved your wrist very well. But some fine moments. Take a control and you'll finish the word. B-I-R.
B-I-R.
Very good. It's a humming bird.